Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Creative Outlier Air on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now right here you need to click the information icon near to your main earbud. So my left earbud is connected with the phone and this one is the main one. I click the information icon and right here at the top we have a line what called name, so we need to tap on it and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, click done, and now you're gonna go back and we change it for the first earbud, so we need to make the same for the right earbud. But if I click on it, we haven't aligned name, so we need to disconnect it, and you can put your left earbud to the charging case and it will disconnect from your phone. But I don't know why on iPhone I have this problem that it don't want to disconnect when I put it to the charging case. On Android phone I haven't this problem, so just click the information icon near to it and tap at the disconnect, and now it disconnected. Then tap at your right earbud to connect this one, and now the right one is the main one. Click the information icon right here and then tap at the name. Write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text and then click done to save this new name. And here we go, we just did it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.